Hannah Noel, are you feeding yourself? Look at that. You got it all over. Is that good? We good? Get some more? Okay, let me see your spoon real quick. Hold on, let me see it. Some more cereal on there. There you go. Got it? Do you get any of that cereal in your mouth? Such a big girl. You're such a big girl. Should we get some more? Give Mommy a spoon. There you go. Whoa, crazy baby. Here. Oh, here's your spoon. Got it? Look at you. Is that good, dinner? Is that good dinner? Yes. Is that good dinner? Look at your shirt. And your bib. Look at you. You're a mess. You get it all over your face. But is it good? Yeah. You're silly. Wave goodbye. Wave bye-bye. Say bye-bye. There you go. Good girl.